Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the reset options, which should be at the bottom of the list, and then tap on the first option, of course. Here your device is informing you that it will reset the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's simply tap on reset settings. And here we've got the warning that you cannot undo this action, so be aware and tap on reset settings. And as you can see, we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.